Yo, what is up, YouTube and the Monster Club? It is yours truly, the life of the party, the young Gohard, and I'm not gonna lie, I am one more car crash away from losing my damn mind because I am the party monster. Back in the house of Monster, back out with a brand new video. And to add some context to that intro, imagine you just left work the other day and you just worked a 7-hour shift. You're excited because today you're off and you go to your car, which you don't even recognize at first, but you notice a busted headlight and your front fender that's normally attached to the car, not attached to the car. So yeah, that's my reality. Yesterday someone actually hit and ran my car and I was super pissed. Literally, of all the time to hit my vehicle, it's never a good time, but as I'm getting ready for a vacation in now 28 days and dealing with a lot of other stuff, that's the last thing I needed. And yeah, it was a hit and run, no note, no nothing, but it was thankfully where near cameras are. Hopefully they were able to get the person's license plate because, again, that's very against the law and everything. And yeah, so just want to get all that negativity out the side. I mean, I'm super excited about this video because I actually have a pickup that comes courtesy of G Fuel energy drink. I'm super excited to show you guys what I picked up. I've actually put in an application to be an ambassador for them. Haven't heard back yet, but again, being really optimistic. Hopefully it works out. And yeah, but if it doesn't, just get off my back and everything. And yeah, so we're going to get into this today. And yeah, but before we do all that, if you guys haven't already, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Join the Monster Club. Again, I actually just posted a Travis Scott Fragment 1 giveaway in my other video, so go check that one out. And slight spoiler, part of it is actually hitting that subscribe button, so if you want to be ahead of the curve, again, hit that subscribe button. Your boy is trying to get monetized in 2023. That is the goal. That is the mission, and I think we can accomplish it. But that being said, without further ado, let's get it. Okay, guys, so I got my box cutter. I got my box. Let's get into it. And just keeping it 100 with you guys, I have tried G Fuel before, I think like a couple years ago. Didn't exactly enjoy it, but it might have just been the flavor I was trying to get this time. It was like the Sonic's peach ring one, and yeah, it was definitely not it, but definitely thought, you know what, if I'm going to apply to work for this company, I might as well actually like the product that I'm representing, because in my head, like, if you don't like something that you're promoting, then you're a fraud. But that's just my opinion. And yeah, so just getting into the box. First up, we got my shaker. Boom, check it out. You got that neon green kryptonite in that blue top. Definitely a dope colorway. Oh, you got G Fuel on the side, energy formula. For those that are unfamiliar, G Fuel is an energy supplement that a lot of streamers and people that are online like to take when they get like winded and tired and they need like that sugar rush and everything. I know you can use it as a pre-workout as well, but for my purposes, I'm doing on Twitch pretty soon, so I wanted to give myself some of that extra boost like while I'm streaming and everything in case I get tired and whatnot. And hell, I might use this when I go to the gym and everything. You know, your boy is getting strong and everything for vacation. But I got two different formulas. I got the Tiger's Blood. Thought it had a really cool name. Thought I would check it out. And also, because your boy is about that life, that Miami Nice. That trip's coming this summer. Get ready for it. Might have a couple other surprises for Miami. But yeah, I'm definitely curious to see how it tastes and everything, and I might probably give it a product review as well and put it on the channel. They give you a sticker as well. That's pretty dope. And my receipt. Okay, not really that important, but the sticker is there. Box to the side. Oh yeah, get all three together. Get that thumbnail. Probably let's turn it around first for the thumbnail. Okay, now we got it. But yeah, your boy is really pumped up to see how it works and everything, and definitely optimistic. And I will give you guys my honest review and an opinion and everything. But kind of wanted to give you guys this quick unboxing and show you guys what I picked up from G Fuel and whatnot. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, Make sure you guys hit that like button. Definitely share with a friend. And as always, if you feel the vibe, hit subscribe. You guys can follow me on Instagram at PartyMonster05 and on Twitter at PartyMonster1. And until next time, remember, be excellent to each other and party on, dudes. Peace.